What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a Greek style burger. Summer is right around the corner and we're all gonna be outside grilling, and I want to give you guys a healthier option for a delicious burger that you can make at home for your family and friends. It seems like there's a lot of ingredients going on here, but this recipe is super simple and all of these ingredients are gonna bring so much flavor to this recipe. If you like this video, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video.